party ni here nyansani. I've told you, MPP doesn't need somebody who is wise. Anything that Boacheja will never become national chairman. They want fools who can fool around, whom they can control. What I say?
Yeah.
Sure, be to say abroad. What the radio so you saw here TV. Eki can kwasi some sir, but baby almost 11 seats. You are dealing in everything some manaka one. Yet he have the boss speaking nuisance, spreading nuisance.
No disappointment here by anything.
I told you, one was my catcher. You see what I told you?
Hey.
No, me patcho affair, some American one me. Oh,
I never know. Since I have known Wontumi, he doesn't issue or work with documents, and his defense has been that he is not an academic.
And so, the chairman. The difference is that who hear Juma, who work with documents. But we besides Argentina, a Juma who and Crat Anka was me in co school yet. In co school per chairman. And then I catch us MPP and a collapse party because we had said, and then some of who they lead the MPP. The person who doesn't work with documents, Buga lifestyle, only they lead the MPP. So when I tell you MPP is a collapse party, you should agree with me. Somebody who have told us, I said, because I'm not an academician, so I don't work with documents. Such a person will confer register or electoral area, because he doesn't know the importance of it.
Ohene say asamna
I've told you, sir. It doesn't work with documents. So, if say or put it more party, documents be one in chain as a chairman. Don't forget to bet me at den yane et biakwa kujane nine because he doesn't see the importance of those documents being at his possession.
But I'm catch the Kennedy or Ohene Japan so on your presidential material.
Because almost on your academician.
Yes. Telling me that so join and subscribe, no leave comment under the comment section, like and share the link. And of course, Ohene Jamaica Tenasi Medin the tele evangelist Samson Osu, and of course Tenasi and some more idiot Adinchichi or a political space in the sono. Yes, Tenasi near Kaehwasem na yedia so. And of course, and the base Ghana Fest, any the base movement Ghana Fest. Omo de copy mo court na court no etu ashada se enko 15th of May na omo nto sa ensem no so Agya ko kasai yenti Agya ko mresisi ya na yento aso
penifo a journey case ni to 15th May yeah I think say Friday edi enimo enti no yego so na eni say ya so biemu a enya de a yegidigi bia beba ko fa manso bia ba iguso ye dia so bia na ehwe said ye be ya ye beto ye da sabi odi wa de no bi ji afiri nsema am say enya de a obeti asiesa obeti asiesa kra na ese the reason ti award ye free nsem ti boko ya da munya ma
ko basem ben focus mo ntra sem mo sisi asem we free a mo beti asem bia da boko
ma ni chili for asem pakodo eno kra de ya ye ready ya chance ye kra say ye be ye hu aduma kra na watwe mu ye nti ha ye hukumase eso hwa ye di hu komo bia na MC free ni free nti benimvo etna se ya umbu hu ne omo bekanya
nti ensem Agya ko editu edwano of course bi urasa ensem ensu emu MPP ho no a takwa ensoyem eye constituency yes ye be kaya polling executives hon sensem delegate album ye yiwe dia film en hon tokwa enya asem kotua o MPP omo officer ewo takwa ensoyem sansem no ye bi wura eno ensu emu Justin Kodua yes wa be kasa was NPP was newly established standing committees key to NPP victory ye be kaya Dr. Baumia edi nipa nan bi ababo ntene say omo be form policy committee eno and Justin Kodua say sa committee no ma form no key to victory 2028. This and many more. Ya tell say no. Ya baba be som. Ohene.
Yeah.
No akwaba.
Me just say na.
Na eno am to say.
Oh, nyame adom. Nyame adom.
Ene nso ya ba.
Wende.
Na hanso no man nyina ti.
Sa na hanso obi abebe. Sa na no kure no.
Yeah.
Nti ye be kan okura chetim mfo.
Right. Ohene ya hey. The base fui. Ejako the base. Ekopim court ne. Court to asem na sheda. So on the 15th for momla na omometo aso.
You see maka. Say the kwan ye three MPP abasa ene ye 9 no. And the be MPP ache e opposition ye ba. The base asem a ye kan nyina menua the base air court base 1 base 2 air court nyina na nya hwi e MPP for na nam court zizie.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
Because you pa yan fa ye ninkohwe individuals and the Otibonsu or MPP ni.
You're correct.
You are the leader of first base. Second one Ejaku or MPP ni. Ye tena kroma me mu campaign ahodo Ejaku eye de ma MPP. In there wo hwe eno ma ekoso nde na eye MPP within the MPP party ni mu a na nde ye twe na abasa no.
Yeah.
What I say? Inti adebakwa me wonwane say besinde nanka it is expected say anka say MPP a serious political party the way are based for na atwe omo ho abasa ehun na abasa no they should have sit them down nanka sanka sam no mafle Ejako na ya fre Dr. Otibonsu ni ya ka kire me say eye party na na mo say no because the omo followers ni nyina no eye MPP for
Yeah.
and the next I quarter abasa a soro any form a ye twene no omo twene e MPP for na ekun but e bia obefa ne say oh the base bia o baby e na enye omo ntokwa
Yeah.
but e MPP second part and I say second and third part ya tie film one first one ya babeti UP e de MPP
Yes.
and then ya ti the base ya ti na wudo mienu e de MPP so the numbers are MPP for the bomb one samblane no that numbers gradually sorted and maka omu reason for going to court ni yeden say edin ba ko na nipa mienu afa and I say ko mienu afa omu de yeden omu de pre to me
Yeah.
and ma omu de pre to me omu opere akwa akosi ni say yeah pre in such a way say be making sure say MPP ember power and it's true it's going to work out for them.
Okay.
Maka say MPP to us say yeah the way no mercy kaka kono bibie no e kire say MPP betimi aba power in 2028
Okay.
because you see your mon crofo na na etwa mon wazire na abasa but you see Adam culture say there's an individuals among them are their political parasite.
Yeah.
Maka said several times say somebody like Ejako or a political parasite
Yeah.
or take advantage of circumstances. Because the first base a yen na ebeti you know. If you be fair to ourselves, Dr. Otibonsu de base in the later me ko krom na me hu say Ejako so e forms and nam KJT. So a lot of people initially thought say the same base na Dr. Otibonsu down on.
Yeah.
And one Ejako so a campaigning at the moment.
Yeah.
That is the fact. But where Ejako also have case and they say, me person be court asem. But I've listened to Ejako interview. Oh no, so catch it say, me ko register me the enu usunyane. What I say? So the base Ghana first, no, or expect to say this base, no, any Ghana first in future. E kono muku ni nyina no, it is clear. Say yes, say bia Ghana they have Ghana at heart. Nimum, I've told you said they are political parasite. What I say?
Yeah.
Obinu person take advantage of circumstances. Yen mami schedule that quit. Let me reduce the number through the reduction of the numbers. You be mami schedule that markers will make me the base no mejai.
And of course, and I think the lawyer no be say on Friday, but as a Casasibi, ever cost before a Friday, indeed that say umbetimi to Edia Kufia.
You see, my catcher. So as some American, assuming would admit
Yeah.
say then it's clear. It was either a Jacko Pesca, and if you lawyer, Dr. Utibunzo, and also Pesca if Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. I've said the countless number of times. These are individuals I person who saw my Kuruma. But it's all going to affect MPP.
Of course.
Yes. No matter how a no more year, the Omuye Biano by affecting MPP. And based on the MPP track record, the legacy of Mujaya and Sono Mufia Ben. Need the way Omon tries to embrace unity again. It's obvious that I've told you MPP will be in opposition for the longest time because you see, Omon track record before they left office was very abysmal. They gave Ghanaians an abysmal performance. The only thing I know about me, I'm a party in Nigeria and Naso Gakran say, at this material point in time, now come me accountable. But and they will the same party, no, we nipa backward to Nesa, and a backward to Nesa Bako. So now it is left with the body finish will be in the form. Because the UP is full of MPP. And then the base is full of MPP. What did I say?
Yeah.
And the UPP, with your UP, they are not ready to give up. Oh, UP, they are a serious political party. They mean business. I'm telling you. Be bien whoever must anchor for equity election 2028.
Wow.
The way almost saw Mono. I have a friend now. All your MPP now will move from MPP and no UP. Or communicating in share with TV. So, but when you look at their structures, they mean business. Maybe minimum what they think. But one thing I know is that they will make sure that one political party doesn't succeed, doesn't come to power. And then they are saying another one.
Yeah.
And if Kai is not taking another one, be saying from Maba. So MPP should forget about 2028 elections.
How many are brain now? Now, whoever is a good Yabaka say is a committee no matter. So, a committee no matter. Or more a key to a year victory 2028.
Committee, be.
Any Dr. Bomia Dababon.
The case will be arguing.
Yeah.
Now, more margin here cry for more. Or more margin cry here for me. Economic team Kromufeli. Yes, I'm catching.
Aye.
Or 1 year see or yen before no move for me. What an economic team they failed. No, we are my catcher say, Nipa Bakupen woman in Yansa. And I would have said, I put catches in Nipa Bakupen woman in Yansa.
I no crow, no, I can't answer. Just any brew. What Jim media in Abozo?
That is. And NDC, we don't have time for this.
Okay.
The reason is this NDC, you know, call fast watch on my Ghana. That is why we some more young noise be bringing social media. When the time is due, they will keep quiet. Based on fact, they will sit back. What I say?
Yeah.
For now, no, in the history of this country, no, political party BNY to about just 1.5 years. Nenia Brea or General. So, but who a ruling party now? So quite the way you are not being serious. You must leave a legacy. Oh, the answer the old person who say build the country, build the Magana for who's a wire. Did they be a baby in Ura? The Biamakacho said the only time my MPP bet my opposition and this bet my opposition is when His Excellency John Dramani Mahama failed.
Yeah.
If he doesn't fail, nothing will stop NDC for ruling again. So no amount of noise, no amount of propaganda, it will not wash. Until Udia, you see, if you look at the political terrain today, Udia open the social media space and then you don't see much of NDC communicating. A woman as a troubling no money baba, near Baby Kano Kranach the Ghana for like this 44 billion Ghana series, so almost a Bank of Ghana making loss.
Yeah.
Sami Janfia Babe clear.
Yeah. By CC, unia da form or da for
flat
or chin form the
flat. What I say?
Yeah.
And say if they decide say and no maybe who here and no money be bad yeah, then you be responding to that. But aside that, this and no be a modern social media and all those things yes and this for no way. When you come to any those things we are better.
Yeah.
But the only time maybe to my NDC opposition is when they fail in governance, and we are not going to fail.
Okay.
So Sadi or Muye Nano, BBN who be Yajuma. What I say?
Yeah.
Because you are trying to Dr. Mahmoud Bamia Bekachre say, Omu was solid economic team. Obo Dr. Mahmoud Bamia din. Obo ye Papa Alan Kojocha Mantidin.
Okay.
Obo Hackman, ne Hackman used my baby, Obo Safu Mafu edin.
Okay.
Obeka.
Yeah.
Obo den obo say na Eugene Jakwana. Yes. Make certain individuals be obobo omudin okruma.
Okay.
Owie no ka say what a solid team. That solid team no and the Ghana echo junk status economy. That solid team. As at time no biamba bontin be kanchire say in that team nyansani ba ko pen the wom ni mum omunyina ye nimdifo anyansafo no they failed. And in Asimoka say, with this policy committee, ayatino, and the betting more about power, the Ghanaians know say, a no more those cheap propaganda are no more yenibia. Because they told us in this country that they are bringing heaven on earth. 2016, at the Ghana for. Let me tell you some of the promises Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia made to us. He promised to move us from taxation to production.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
They ended up introducing 42 new sound taxes, including betting tax, yield levy, omission tax. Nipa no wakachire said the Ghana here say you be move from production, you be produce more than rather say you be tax individuals. Omuye no ma tax ya me fe ye minimum na ye di ehwenje. So when this person is promising you this, you should know say he's a liar. What I say?
Yeah.
When Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was asked a second question, so Obeka, one of their campaign messages, they told us blankly, say each constituency be a Ghana hano every year $1 million. See at BCC constituency no. Me patch no single constituency and no more than $1 million. So 2, they lied to us again. 3, in 8 years of the administration, they promised us each and every village, one village, one dam. Okay.
Yeah.
Each and every village biano ombema a dam babo. Me pacho munche a single village on the dam ko. So it's another lie. They lied to us again. When they came, they told us, say, yeah, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Aya DBFN a sexy following. Wabobo siandodo. So Ghana can move to 120 billion, 22 billion. Omufri abem na Ghana is 726 billion.
Agoro.
So another palpable lie.
Yeah.
They lied to us again. When Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was asked on Joy Far, say, "Uba ye nimse we yesremni, we are not na. Me pacho chire jume die kesiye pa wadi usrem." I said, "On the back, I'll catch it." Say, "O masi palugu dam." It ended up say a call hono na anwea create betu from the BCO. Meanwhile, it has cost the state $12 million. So when this person is promises you heaven, me pacho be ya wafu when it hell. Don't wait.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
And try and cry. So when you need to one catch us and me peja wa ko heaven a be ya wa catch and say masa me call help because the other one is hell. This is the manner people told us say he's an economic miser. This is the manner we were told say he has economic whiskey. This is the manner they told us say he's the lord of economists. He ended up running away from economic mess or course here. Heading who could join a dictatoralization. When this man is promising you of industrialization, will you believe him? Somebody who ran from economy to dictatoralization, when he is promising you of industrialization, will you believe him? Do you remember that one constituency? No, it's 1D1F, one district, one factory. Yeah, let me tell you one thing. One thing Ghanaians have failed to know is that they followed that promise. That policy, they failed. That promise, they failed. Because if you go and read their policy document, no more culture say every district be an embassy one factory. It wasn't say every district be an PPP, public private partnership. But unfortunate, we fear companies here, they were companies that they were doing well already.
Okay.
So how much did they include? Do say no recruit 2 years after say Udo Hukobo mono. A district will be so man no more baby as is a quazo zenva, minimum macro. So these are palpable lies. Oh, Mushe, you try and throw. So this policy committee here for me almost say this is a game changer. No, we've heard of a lot of game changers. So it never work. You see, this is a trick. But one thing they forget and say today Ghanaians enfe Ghana for kind. So you don't lie to them. Again,
2028
no, we see.
Like I don't understand.
We see, we don't blame them. Power do 8 years or more did
opposition at say.
Power oh, just 1 year, 5 months.
And you know, as 2028, they be 2028. Obianya platform be 2020.
Yes.
And they know.
And unim adeba kwa fene say the NDC government is not focusing on 2028, rather focusing on how to build this country. Because say yen ye focus on omo yen yen you are responding ye jo on my way to war and command be collapse as they collapse the country for us. And le me bana and nano pay you see the status of Ghana A B. Na individuals chrem kwanya B no e benyan sunsun so investors eso.
B dey say you.
Eso mine gina.
Yeah, B dey say.
Metie Kofi Benton o ye MPP no ka kire say and na de nyamie no nokure ni yen ka nokure kire Ghana for say the economy is by far better than MPP's regime. Nimu nempa bo ne say ye betuma sustain say the economy na gina ni say ya.
Oh, okay.
So whatever they are saying when you him say the policy committee bien we betuma MPP about power in 2028.
No cranye ne jedemia mu hun baby omo fa.
See, oh better tio minua. Monza medical question even the policy committee no nkrofo ete maka ho ate.
Yes.
So once I yetra kroma mo bi beka kire say nyansani a over the entire cabinet doing Akufo-Addo's regime e ba kope.
Yeah.
Na sende akwakọ le 5 candidates omo contest here within more mo beka kire say bi wo 16 cents 10 cents ebi mu indecisive ebi mu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say yes o hye bondi so omo an omo twere ye say yes assemble ontimi indifene no adwane nti we be the high president. It is the MPP who told us MPP for 10 cents na ewom ni 16 cents no ewom. So, or running away from problems. Until as we are facing today, say you're not a president today, and you can't hear as well. Who be saying can ask more yano because he always try to run away from problems.
Yeah.
This is what the MPP told us. They told us he's very indecisive. What did I say?
Yeah.
They told us he's a man who cannot even control his own house. How much more a country?
Yes.
Me pacho this words are words of MPP.
No more on the kind. More on the form candidate.
So if you are expecting Ghanaians, see Nkonko to Abama somebody who is very indecisive, then what are you people trying to say? Do you people want to mess up this country again? And no amount, no volume, no amount of committees number for me. A bit me abese sambibia.
No, any party ni jedemi.
Makachiro.
Ijadin den say o kwata kwanso yimu a party is o president 2020 ndo on beba ba mu no ana mo manipulate polling station executives any delegate album o be do ba ba.
You see medical aka say dey no wo ba bia a political party bia but the way and the man MPP for year no nipa ba akopɛ enkrofo maka say nipa ba akopɛ enkrofo na ye omo sa and then me she MPP ni panyini bi ana me ni di nkomo na me wie na mbisa ne say lawyer Kwabena Boate omon kan de waye e wo ha nkyere me o se ne bonu nyina ye Kennedy and this ankrofo e so fa nyina ye Kennedy
so could the Kennedy achi.
oh yes na makase is one of the senseless decision that every individual be able to take. Upe decision and nyansenim. The decision to say obi akwa kodi a political individual be echi intimentua bantiano. When you do that, what I say?
Yeah.
Now I say me where the means but I say why do we have? Because one, in politics, obi a pen interest first. So, sesani pan interest and be my enkambom na party in here.
Yeah.
Young fan is assuming would admit na 2020 and year elections. Anna. Your papa Kwabena before contest is Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Let me surprise you. Wouldn't said this regional minister or Tisonde?
Dr. Frank Amoakohene.
Dr. Frank Amoakohene. No war, your papa Kwabena before Agyei.
Okay.
I didn't know a minister. The party first.
Yeah. I see.
What I say?
Yeah.
Dr. Frank Amoakohene. No fi Kwabena before camp.
No need the sitting president camp cry.
Debbie.
Wow.
Mami chiro. Ye mami Gloria Huze. Food say school for Indiana. School feeding. Ono na do man no e wa Ashanti region ha no. No fi Kwabena before camp.
And then some more side in the end yantehwe.
What I say?
Did be a man.
So Obeka ya mami Gloria Huze na copy K forms. E wa cry de call e de ma Kwabena before. Nti ye papa Kwabena before cry forms no. E Gloria Huze na copy K. But we see at the end of that elections, the name who here pass a bit make people NDC. Say NDC bit me about power and say yanka boom. So we invited everybody. And you forgetting nipe kokodi odu freji. Because a one and here. But what the MPP is doing today, my culture say there is no way say certain individuals because the communique and yet no continue say it says there is no way say Canada or Ohene Japan is ready to come. So Obaba be joining that policy committee.
Yeah.
But on Kasai. But the information we are gathering today, it is clear. It's an obvious clear. Say Papa ni ready because he see say me nkrofo edi machino even if in future me when so adi hu kra say mesa ba biom aba be contest because Kennedy Ohene Japan me hwe me age a met me as a baby because Akufo-Addo contested when he was around 72 years. I learned 74 or 76. I'm not a president.
Okay.
But today, gradually they are killing the dreams of Papano. Say, even in future, you might not even have that wings to fly. And you expect, say, more party with policy, a bit more power. No. I did bit more power. A legacy, not policy. The policy committee and then anything for MPP by power. The only thing about more power is legacy. The legacy they built previously. Because people will be campaigning on the Akufo-Addo's legacy.
Yes, I know that.
That is why 2024 election he failed because he campaigned on the Akufo-Addo's legacy. And you think say new introduction of policies are track because say you can peddle lies and build a falsehood. Who can say Ghana for will buy to that?
No,
what I say?
Yeah.
Because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and MPP today, people know how Omobit may control. People know say and someone no mobile catchers or Mukwakoyeno. That is a lie. Oh, boss, see Bissau say Tamani yen benyano. One who president a hodwa. say a catch us a president Ben Pan and Nanka, who been in Mujidi so Baba Sangana, Nanka, be born ID. No, you, when you Kakra, and the one about Bonidi.
Say,
if he year 2000 when you Kakra,
yeah. If you could move.
in the fee 2000 Ebam.
Yeah.
Ye catch us a based on Musem, and in some manner, ye de bar bonting. Ye be so some wine pan and no bit my basis, Ghana, and I go back as I wine. You automatically mention Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
Because Akufo-Addo came with a lot of promises. Akufo-Addo came with telling us, "Hey, hata." Akufo-Addo came. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia gave us a lot of lectures.
Yeah. I think say, I know I fast my boy. I think say, Nana Akufo-Addo in some of the buy no. Now no deal. Now no deal.
Yes.
The campaign message.
This was a gentleman who hold King Kenkan say, "Doctor one CD."
Yes. Into be fall. Yeah. Was a you come be done in 7 and work on.
Akufo-Addo, you know, that is why he won with by that margin.
Yes.
A very big margin.
Yes.
Almost 1 million votes difference.
Yeah.
In 2016. And almost fresh had then as the biggest defeat of NDC.
Yes.
So say they have this humiliated this beat in 2024 by NDC by over 1.7 million.
Yeah.
So it tells you, say, why did they fail? Why did they get that number? They will keep on telling you lies. Say, "Yenkrofu, I'm a metuaba." I didn't think I'm going for metuaba. No, assuming without admitting, I didn't think I'm going for this or no party in the door. I'm a metuaba. That is the first question. Metuaba because they realize that you failed them as a president. You failed them as head of economic team. You failed them as vice president. So if say it's true, say even mon analysis I know say based on Michael Quay's report, na sa ade nka ho. And yes nkofo mpia meto they know it. They know that is a lie. What you say?
Yeah.
Omo anim so omoboa. But assuming without admitting, I didn't know be a party that akuma be desire say me meto aba. It is because you realize that you have failed and you've lied to them. And you, your own political party, with during their internal elections, you more catch and say you are a liar.
Okay,
Almost so fairly. So at some point in time, they told us, and I say, a whole near the Bremen, a question Akufo-Addo say, be a Akufo-Addo na ye. But Akufo-Addo made us know, say, he's not an economist, into no cover buy.
Yeah.
You know what the MPP is good at? And then maybe history be actual. The only thing MPP is good at is how to propagate lies. In 1948, 1947, 1948, Kwame Nkrumah proposed something that was Akosombo Dam.
Okay.
Now, time Kwame Nkrumah, na adwin say Oba beye Akosombo Dam, ama na Ghana Nkania. Do you know, say, MPPs, omo forefathers, I later on Baba form BB and EFN UP. Omo no mo kwa kachire World Bank say, Momo ma Ghana sika, Momo ma Kwame Nkrumah sika, man from be constructed sa dam because Ghana population was just 6 million by then. Okay.
Yeah.
Sa de we enkrofo MPP asefo na ba be yes ade
O masefo.
Oh na Akufo-Addo ne papa mo kan.
Oh, okay.
Nti MPP asefo.
Yeah.
When him say time Ghana fighting for independence. Sa enkrofo we as atwere letter e de kokoma bro ni fita ka kire ne say. Mamu ma Ghana for fa ho de esan say e hundu so. In 1957, the same group, Sankrofo na Kwame Nkrumah gutu chechere Ghana in 1969. No mabe tu Kwame Nkrumah membo de tu buye. Na de bia Kwame Nkrumah ye bia no mo sabotage sa de no. Omo no mo share dem twetwe letters. De ko ma broni vita say mo mo fa ho die. Sankrofo ya na sa be twere letters. E de ko ka kire broni say hey, sa sika na mo de bre say ye fa nko fix ye nkanea no. Ye fa nko ya Akosombo no. Ye mu ye kuro ne ye sen. Ye 6 million pe. Enti say sika bebrebe mo de ye den. En fa sika na mo. So omo ye nation reckless. They have a track record of destroying a country. Now, maybe in 1979, no, 1997, it all started from 1993. When His Excellency, the late Jerry John Lawrence, a proposal at DB and FN health insurance. Sadly, His Excellency, the late Jerry John Lawrence, a proposal sadly on the core parliament in State of the Nation address. In 1997, Dr. Adokufo, ye papa o mampenyini dada Kufo ne bra penyini. Then no ye MP. Ebe ka kire say there was no sense say ye beka se ye ba be give FN health insurance. So there was a survey and feasibility studies and in 2003. Na akoso kakra me be ye ho art because our committee ya form ye Kufo consultants had them one be yes art no and no movie MPP for some of this idea by. But in 1997 omo ka kire say ye papa do Kufo ka kire say nya de papa na nyanse ni mo man ni nya say ye be ye o man no be koso a wo se ye kwakwa free health insurance. Now just recently ye can ya na asem ye nim say ne ye generation capacity problem aba nanim.
Yeah.
Na mu minua in 2006. Ye benya dum so a full year from 2006 to 2007. And no mampanyin da Akufo. Ekwo kra generators bi di fi amano ne ba ye Dr. Widoku Brobe be ka kire say say generators no was toy generators or describing that generators as toy generators. Enti ye papa Akufo the oye any so far so for fi apedwa ne tamase enko bompae emfa ma akoso mu. So whenever you be dum kanea no omo made bi beto yetirim say si ye be dum kanea de a ende ye akoso mu na awe.
Yeah.
Are you listening?
Yeah.
If you listen to the story of MPP, you believe that they are nation reckless. So whatever they tell you, don't believe them.
Okay.
In 2013, 2014, and 2011, there was a similar thing.
Okay.
But a man check. So 2013-14, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Transit. You know, say no, your population is a kosoro. Inti kania na ye face no e se fix that problem once and for all. Do hu ye ne se na nye se ye ntimi ntofi wan fam power ye kania. Nimu na ye hia generational capacity na se ye kope plant no no mani bi e de ba. But the na obetuma fix sa no na we were told to expert kire se wo pese wo ye kura bibiti se dam no terminal no a bit take you 4 years and some way. So what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama did was that at this material point in time, we being here, see the generators are kesia a bit to my boy the power and the other.
Okay.
And then announce more of Mary. No cofa capa. No obey expanded, obey beer at Wobo gas. No obey expanded Asugri plant.
Okay.
Or may be. Do you know say in 2017? MPP be kachire say o man no yakwakofa ye dealer ye the bibia efe no XX generational capacity e di abagana na nkania ye hia no yakwakoje mana aboroso nti ye bo man ne ka na yakwakoye yakwakosa contract tick for pay contract.
Okay.
Inti akoso mine $500 million. Inti ye bon mine ka. That thing was just for 5 years. Nanka those machines ni na ba be your mine Ghana there. So today some machines are married be your mine there. O mine Ghana there. See and you no be any we be abi. But listen, see, contract in kwa we and MPP could renew contract or moka say $500 million. No boy it into $1.2 billion.
Wow.
So when you listen to the story of MPP, you could see say they are nation reckless. But they told us say on minor His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akofa and no man made Baba Power and Kanya no bo mine castle or wow and ananum and no more papa no catch the Kwame Nkrumah. It was the same thing.
Okay.
When it comes to our energy sector. And there's a what radio soon will be free. No say oh MPP are buying bus so can you need now so I wish anything any panel was there. Bisame say how much did they added to our generational capacity? Could you believe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in 2016 Ghana near Kenya now in Ireland is in kilowatt or megawatt. It was about 2,000 and something megawatt. When he left out, it was 5,000 plus megawatt.
Wow.
Megawatt of power. You know, they are so as no, they are more than 2,000. NPP entire 8 years, almost 400 never become. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 4 years, or more than 2,000 in the become.
I see.
So when it comes to the issues of, I've told you, the NPP is a reckless. When you listen to them, these are some of the things that they've started propagating. They want to tell Ghanaians lies. They are like, or make my when you make chawantro. I be catch you say about your mind Ghana ye. Free education. They told us someone who say free education as it. But a lot of headmasters have confirmed that there was free progressive education gradually. And then now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Beka say, CAC block school send a be ankola no job.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Because the number of students are not here penal. Now a be necessary say na kebenya another structures. And sana yet me meet is idea. But when we introduce this double track system, have a more my Ghana problem be blame. But then they are telling us a free education. Or my idea no the free. Mobile money, if you mobile money interpability, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has an idea. But obe part mama committee say, young mobile money interpability because Omusi says he can't yes I didn't know. But today they are telling us as the idea. So I've told you issues of MPP. Yeah. They can look at your face and tell you lies.
Right.
What I say?
Yeah.
So on my Ghana, a dozen lies in the hands of MPP.
Okay.
They are liars. They are people who can look at you and tell you lies. Ombetimi normal be brain there to spoil a particular ombetimi and then omo person ombete Kwame Nkrumah kura din okruma but mo person yambo omo papa din omo person yambo bi ti say ofori atamu din okruma and obo Kwame Nkrumah din ana na pomo bu ofu napo una na be na ka ho na ye chechero my Ghana Ekufu adumu papa no ma no mo kan ho no omo be say o my Ghana omo nna na masuma na Ghana ejina bibi ejina.
Right.
What do I say?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
So when you come to me, see you're born on my Ghana and Chichiria, MPP is completely out.
All right. I think so. You know, Kasim B. Prior to my premise, you know.
Yes.
Say, na Dr. Frankama Ohene in me, the certain president in the camp.
Yeah.
But this answer, on my Chichiri, Tina O'Hare candidate to meet me at Boama, or my Chichira Kosono. I'll point to Dr. Frankama Ohene, and Ashanti region, so me Ashanti regional minister. Now, back to MPP. On say, party reorganization. Now, on some man, on say, Prime Minister, na Kwesi Kwarteng and Kasama, Canada, Japan.
Yeah.
Na Abwa Papa. Also, the Canadian.
Yeah.
Also, some confirming news about communication, we are very good.
Yeah.
But some policy a year or media ban and Dr. Mudin, wouldn't say Kasama for Horn and confirming Udin.
Yeah.
Former
spokesperson for Ghana Education Service.
Yes.
Kwarteng, or a very good communicator. And why be Abwa Papa? But Abwa Papa has been out of the party long ago. On the ground, after elections, no Becca said, young can of Ranger Ghana for the NDC are buying born home. That was the day of Musomu uniform.
I said, anyway, I release the people one thing.
Yes.
Say, your permanent party.
Oh,
I don't make up. And Sabah is releasing a fake.
Oh, I say release be about one on my pound can retail of your party. We not here.
Yeah,
You see that guy, the very door Becca say young can of Ranger Ghana for. Said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia failed. na ndisi abamba obo no homodin ye kono baby amujaye ene baby papa no that was the day omo gaje say wo kura wo nya MPP ni
Inti how would they build the party? Because I was sidelining Nkufubia. They are very good.
Oh, but if you have sense, excuse my language, we nipa wo dwene na open kan kwa ma ho daachi a you know join a party a kakra bi ni aside line no
Na waka asemo.
what you say
Yeah.
and ya tra ko mo bi abeka kire say we are not na who deserve so be MC wa Ashanti region. So if you are not na and who campaign ama MPP in Ashanti region, you don't have sense.
Yeah.
Into wulu uhwe ekwan omo fa so e treat omo nkrofo a look at how MPP treat the omo supporters.
Now we're reorganization or in Omoy.
Oh omo sha asia no mama ati asia se wo no nya professor ntu nim nyansa se party na ba power nye be ma ba bia che. If you cut your eyes across, tell me MPP a war power. Show my appointees, who they boy young boy back one who know my appointees.
Hey, Okofaba. Wouldn't say Nenso. Say propaganda was a deal. Say more than them say MPP bar Bemuno, or more you see the youth. Mabunu be no man appointment be a move chilling, Momobek, I say, Yano crack. Almost Mabunu many be appointment, Momo ye.
Yeah, my country say MPP, NDC be so focus on the normal MPP, I ain't from my Ghana. Let them throw the shades. What I say?
Yeah.
You don't even have enough strength. The strength now here 1 year was here at the border of my Ghana. What I say?
Yeah.
There is press conference or press conference. And do Jimmy who we you have a part for your marking.
Yes.
Not to go I say a bob and chill. Why am I kai and confirm be a movie? What I say? Naza wouldn't say I say because we are confirmed no do. So me who's am Pesiano, a go are you on them see already? How many microphone or maybe in Kogumo? Microphone this year no Mumba.
Hi, MPP.
A political party or might be going to for it. Here near come.
I'm one of the
Chairman won't to me back actually as I confirm no we be. No cross and a doctor and a rash and I go we. Into a name who's am Pesian is one I'm seeing Mario and Memo Mujino. A bay I want to move and Pesian.
Oh, where there's evidence room, camera doesn't
Camera. Now, no more on way and so more young as I don't know. Say, shall one. Now, we are more can any. So, we are there on my press conference. I did be a Baccabian on my press conference. And Tina Macacho said the MPP, and it's now, Boache Jaco say, MPP no any also money. Political structure.
Yes, so the party is weak.
It's weak,
but they have a solid candidate.
Instances are because when you don't have option, my boss speaker say me, was the absence of nothing, bad is good. What I say?
Yeah.
Was in the absence of nothing, bad is good. Into when you don't have option, nipa na anya kura be fan say. Yes. So in the absence of nothing, bad is good. What I say?
Yeah.
I know the do baby I know this option. So I agree with him. Okay. But for him telling us party no a very weak party is everybody knows in this country say if you look at the kind of party or more body and we hear coca more mutim him say coca from Accra and him no here no maybe or more here and can say be or more can it's obvious.
Yeah.
It's a party no. The say the name say party in it no as
yeah.
And the party now buga quite be all. And when you tell the people the truth, no move off. On social media, be do at them. Oh no, that is an obvious truth.
How they be kind of crash them.
What I say?
Yeah,
that's an obvious truth. Until no good woman say we know say MPP is a collapse party.
Yeah,
when is a party na collapse. And I call more fast so person mobilizing also is not working. Now say me was all more yeah. Street walk bi o ma share MPP for tal e bi de nyom bi e twam na musi anyum we de na e de baby na msere na ndi si focus o mo de nyom ba mo nyum we ko na boka ye na e bo nyom na mu wi ni am de bi akwa akodi asa
na unim say
so they are not serious party maka what I say
yeah
they are not serious
oni ye fa we unim say chama Wontumi Obeka say proud to Odin birthday no. Omaeta say NPP now. It belongs to a Dr. Baumia. Obeka say asem no. Na ene unsa the court in sense me ya. Unsa the general manager Edema ya contaminants. Edu the kyoko.
Yeah.
Oye a prosecution witness.
200 million if you know 240 million.
Obeka say bim say witness ni mu no was since I have known Chama Wontumi, he doesn't issue or work with documents, and his defense has been that he is not an academic.
And so the chairman. The difference is that who here Juma who work with documents. But the we besides identina Juma who ye nkrat anka was me in school ye. School per chairman. And then I catch MPP a collapse party because we have said and Sankrofo will lead the MPP. The person who doesn't work with documents, buga lifestyle, only lead the MPP. So when I tell you MPP is a collapse party, you should agree with me. Somebody who have told us, I said, because I'm not an academician, so I don't work with documents. Such a person will confer register or lecturer area. Because he doesn't know the importance of it.
Hey, Ohene, say, Asamna,
I've told you, sir. It doesn't work with documents. So, if says, we'll put it, more party, documents be one in chain as a chairman. Don't forget to bet me at Denyane, Ed Biakwakujan 9, because he doesn't see the importance of those documents being at his possession.
But I'm catch the Canada or Ohene Japan so on your presidential material.
Because almost an academician.
Yes.
Meanwhile, he's way better than you. But you want to be a national chairman. I've told you why MPP have problem. Somebody who's no academician, or your minor, he doesn't deal with documents. On for paper near Juma. Because the reasons ne say me my uncle school, minim deal form, intensity me didn't crack as Juma. And such a person is your original chairman. Where are some of your registers? Because he doesn't see the importance of it. That is why always MPP is having problem. That is why move figures by Bekachre say Ashanti region for Antwaba. Yes, Tuaba. The document register name normal say unya de to ono or the akwaku jane 9. So when they were looking for it, they couldn't see it.
And Uncle the original chairman, and dear, Abusafo, young faces, Munamo away. The MPP in the Ashanti region is a Mohonia corner, Nina to Chama Wontumi. And of course, Ohene and revelation be about Bontin say Chama Wontumi, the chairmanship position now open, so maintaining a second debate. Besaba party mobile.
Oh, but when they using the stations, it did not be.
Yes, information at it.
What does it?
Say national chairman, you be doing something no can be forgetting.
And the way open party in here I've told you MPP doesn't need somebody who is wise. And anything that Boacheja will never become national chairman. They want fools who can fool around, whom they can control. What I say?
Yeah.
Sure, be to say abroad or to radio, so you saw here TV. Eki can't quite say some sir, but baby, almost 11 seats. You are dealing in everything, Manaka 1. Yet he have the boss speaking nuisance, spreading nuisance.
No disappointment here by anything.
I told you, one was my catcher. You see what I told you? No, my patron affair, some American one me. Oh, I never see who bedroom no appointment. You are not the appointment committee. Wontumi that's all.
You see me party MPP.
Me see they will have another policy committee about Wontumi that's me. Because I know certain guys, I know more radio, but they are very intelligent guys. But who's a bimuka policy we any be but that is not a problem. Okay. But I tell you, sir, more leading Ankasa have issues. What do I say?
Yeah.
How can somebody tell us, say, me academician, so I don't work with documents? Yet the person want to lead a political party.
National chairman.
National chairman. He's your or your original chairman, whose strongest hold a regional chairman. That is why people keep on telling us. Say de bia no ye nkrofo ankoto aba in Ashanti region ye nkrofo and then no mama ye hu ba bia sa de no fi it's obvious say mo register ne ye de mo de accumulating numbers hu say ye numbers ye 3,000 and 4,000 Ashanti region no chema Wontumi de akwakoja ne nan
Ofanya
he he doesn't see the importance of it ohun kura say da ho a o say wait ye nye we ne ye politics obefa akoja ne nan. So I've even been told say he has been an individual told to on pekranito. What I say? Because I heard him say, Mbabeja party no ma dey go. Am na dey akwa ko jan nine.
No, this is serious, Ohene. This is serious because
if what the gentleman is saying is anything to go by,
in the court,
then it's obvious.
It doesn't issue or work with any document.
Into the defense even in court. Yes, I say has been that he is not an academic or academician.
Yes. She do the born house for him.
No. Who decided to be our court or media? School, man go school. And the nephew and baby is a crata.
School send me am so na mo catch the Kennedy o. Oh, on sem fata. It's a move begina no so the chama Wontumi abedi na chacha.
These people should need to be serious. Me say McCann countless number of times say they failed in governance and they have failed in opposition because in opposition you don't peddle lies. In opposition you don't subject yourself to only propaganda. In opposition you give a constructive criticisms. What I say?
Yeah.
And yet all criticize here it carries weight. And man the ruling party no popo. But today when they come out with certain criticisms, not one person crab respond here. Then ababaye and simunu. KPMG audit firm, they have worldwide they have been recognized as one of the best audit firm. The Bank of Ghana, could do upon Kroma Kotana baby Bekajre say almost why you are the audit. Could do upon Kroma said 34 million. MP before now something for the 44 billion. They are not serious.
And you know some major fear for me.
He said he wanted him. Then he say yes, more busy ni panamra no ba no be ni panakojo. You get it?
Yeah.
So in opposition, when you are in opposition and you want to come to power, you subject yourself to a constructive criticism. What I say?
Yeah.
Say what the normal to wa Ghana 40 months as some akwane kan ye no kre. But who be normal the 2 or 3 na ebisa wan asem na ade china fam no adwane a because me kai say upon kuma be ka che say cocoa board your friend say good board about $240 million. When he was asked, he said, "Oh, saying yes, I'm not actually or can." What I say?
Yeah.
Also, one can say, "We can in his own ways." Into a deba come here and say, "Omo betum foot the gums or communicators and conquer." Then who be so man cast almost in yes and can. Then now baby message for the communicated, the ignorant ones among them. Now baby message for them. So whenever you meet them on platforms, they try to demonstrate their ignorance. You could see say Obeka and now yes mobile Bank of Ghana Aboka. The very day just last week, I was with somebody on TV. The highest ever we've ever recorded in Bank of Ghana's history, 44.5 billion. I'm saying 2022. You people recorded 60.8 billion. Just pick up your phone and see.
Yeah.
Or search here, no. If you know what you want, so no. Let the audience know. Even that report, now I see how man say 2025, 2026, 15.3. If he doesn't want to read that portion, say Nenkrof say, are you serious as a political party? So I've told you, these are some of the issues. These are the caliber of people who are leading MPP today. Me say force error. There's no way somebody like Chairman Wontumi would have been a regional chairman.
No. Upo might say now.
It's not going to happen.
The old faces in the party, and yet they say, we meet him there party about Bemubi. And
Upo might say, or receive a lot of threat. Into Omu in the party. Omu in the party, Mamako campaign at Yomu. You see, look at what is happening. And no one crop for my catcher. MPP, you'll be an done better opposition at you.
Yeah, you see, it's not the base in an amphane, you know.
What I say, and you'll be in a pamomo. One and do Mubenu because of Brombe boy and a baby no made almost a sink or more.
Right,